I am going to show you the second way of how to stamp over gel. So after we cured our color, we applied top coat and then we cured it. So we applied our top coat, now we have to wipe away the sticky layer and then we stamped over it. Now you can go ahead and apply Builder. And if you're curious to know what that's about, it's basically a thicker gel. And the reason I like to do it this way is because I've noticed that it lasts longer and it just really makes sure that the design is protected. And then it also can help add strength to your natural nails and help your natural nails to grow. And we are just going to cure this for about 30 seconds and then we're going to move on to top coat again. So this is technique number 2. And as you can see, everything is dried and it looks beautiful.